Good morning, my dear children. Children, as you know, we are on lesson 13 patterns, and today I am going to teach you even numbers, odd numbers. Children, even numbers are exactly divisible by 2, or in an easier way, we can say even numbers comes in the table of 2. When you start reading the table of 2, all the numbers which comes in the table of 2, they are even numbers. For example, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4s, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 10, 12, etc. Means children, as you can see, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, all the numbers which are exactly divisible by 2, they are called even numbers. And odd numbers, they are just opposite of even numbers. Odd numbers are not exactly divisible by 2, or we can say these numbers, odd numbers, they will not come in the table of 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, and so on. So children, all those numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2, they are called odd numbers. Now children, there are few addition properties of even and odd numbers. When we add even odd numbers together, then you should know these properties of them. The first one says, let's take an example first. Suppose we take two numbers, 10 plus 8 is equals to 18. Children, just now you saw this is an even number, 10 is an even number, this is also an even number, because both the numbers comes in the table of 2. And what we got? 18. 18 is also an even number. So children, when we add two even numbers, we get the answer as even number. The sum of two even numbers is even number. Now the second one says, suppose we take 13 plus 15 is equals to 28. Now 13 is an odd number, 15 is again an odd number. Why they are odd numbers? Because they are not exactly divisible by 2. So when we add two odd numbers, we get the sum as an even number. The sum of two odd numbers is an even number. So children, just now we saw that sum of two even or two odd numbers is even number. Look at this one. 12 plus 15 is equals to 27. Now 12 is an even number and 15 is an odd number. So when we add even and odd number, the sum of an even and odd number is always an odd number. Let's take one more example. 13 plus 16 is equals to 29. 13 is an odd number and 16 is an even number. And 29 again an odd number. So children, just now we saw when we add odd and even number, the sum is always an odd number. So with these both of these examples, we can say that sum of an even and odd number or odd and even number is always odd number. So children, these are 4 basic properties of addition of even and odd numbers. You should know this. I hope that you have understood it. Thank you.